Once you have set up your Google Ads campaign, you are probably keen to find out exactly where your ad is ranking in the Google search results. Hello, I'm Uzair and thanks for watching this video. Within the Google Ads dashboard, you can use the ad preview and diagnosis tool to find out where your ad ranks for each specific search request or query. This is the easiest way to confirm your ad's position without incurring any impressions on your live ads. This is important because searching on Google will trigger your ad without a click through to your website, which will lower your click-through rate and reduce the amount of times your ad is shown. Over time, if you repeatedly search for your ad but don't click on it, Google will assume that you are not interested and will stop showing it to you. It is unlikely that your ad will be seen every time that you search for it. Your ad being displayed depends on a lot of factors, including your budget and the bids. If your statistics show that the ad is not getting any clicks or impressions, it could be due to any one of these reasons. Ad locations. Your ad may be programmed to appear for customers or audiences who are located in certain geographical area. If you are not in that area when you search, you will not be shown the ad. This is why the ad preview tool is the best place to preview how your ad is looking in Google. Paused or deactivated ads. You should make sure that your ad is active so that it can run without delays. Billing. Within the Google dashboard, you can click on Billing and Payments to check for any payment errors that may have caused your ads to stop running. Limited budget. When you set up your campaign, you will select an average daily budget for your ads, which then gets multiplied by the number of days in the month to calculate your maximum monthly budget. If your budget has been met for the day or for the month, your ad will stop being shown or displayed. Ads under review or disapproved. Check your email for any messages advising that your ad is still under review or has been disapproved. If this is the case, Google will give you more information about how to resolve this. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for joining in, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye for now.